Do you want to be exempted from the blocked account requirement of 11,208 euros for student visa in Germany? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be walking you through step by step on how to apply to this fully funded scholarship in Germany that covers all costs, I mean all costs, plus dependent allowance, and the application fee is of course free of charge. Do consider watching this video till the end because I'll be sharing some important tips that you shouldn't miss. Hi, my name is Sylvia and subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell, also like and share this video with your family and friends.
Scholarship is called the Helmut-Schmidt-Programme Master Scholarship for Public Policy and Good Governance 2024. The objective of this scholarship is to promote good governance and civil society structures in developing and emerging countries. And who can apply to this scholarship? It says graduate from developing and emerging countries. We're going to see this in a bit, the countries that are eligible. It says a well-qualified first university degree and above average grades in the fields of social and political science, law, economics, public policy, and administration. So if you're in any of these fields, you are eligible to apply to this scholarship. And we are also willing to contribute to the social, political, and economic development of your home countries. And you have already gained practical experience relevant for the program in the form of professional experience, internship, or other commitments like social or political commitments. What can be funded? It says here that one of the master courses that are listed below, and it will be taking place in September-October 2024. The courses have an international focus and are mainly offered in English. We are going to be seeing the list of the courses that you can apply to in a bit. So let's see the value of this scholarship. Scholarship holders will receive 934 euros a month for master's courses at German university. It will also cover the health insurance, travel allowances, a study grant and a research grant, rent subsidies, and family supplements as applicable. So if you're coming with your family, this particular scholarship gives you the opportunity to do this because they're going to be paying you some family support fees. Also, they'll be covering German language course in Germany, which is going to be lasting up to 6 months. Note that participation is mandatory. So this means that you're going to be coming 6 months earlier to participate in the German program before your course will officially start in October 2024. And here it says that scholarship holders are exempted from paying tuition fees. This is good news. The application process, it says all application must be submitted in English or German. Please indicate clearly that you're applying for the Daad Helmut Schmidt Programme Master Scholarship in Public Policy and Good Governance. When you're sending in your application for the 2 master's course, you must indicate clearly that you're applying for this scholarship. First thing you have to do is that you have to fill out the checklist carefully and tick off what needs to be ticked. The second is that you complete the Daad application form, which I'm going to show us in a bit. And the next thing to provide is that you have to write a letter of motivation. But if you are going to be applying for 2 courses, you only need 1 motivation letter, clearly indicating why you have a first choice and a second choice. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and share it with your family and friends. Also, subscribe to the channel to be part of this community. And the next step is to submit the application form of the master's course along with the required documents of the scholarship application directly to the master's course. So please do not send your application to DAAD. Do not send your application to the scholarship board. They are not going to attend to it. Fill out your application and send it directly to the university that you're applying for the master's program. This is the selection criteria. You can do well to read it thoroughly, but importantly, it says that all applicants are informed in writing after the end of the selection process, which is going to be mid to late December 2023. Once the selection is made, candidates that are proposed for scholarship will be contacted so that they can upload their full document to the Daad portal. This is the selection criteria, so I would encourage you to read this thoroughly to understand what is the selection criteria so that you can implement this when you're writing your motivation letter. Importantly, please make sure that you write your motivation letter to reflect the goals of Helmut-Schmidt Programme. This is very important. So this is also the overview of the application document that you need to have when making this application. A ticked off checklist, DAD application form, a single letter of motivation, even if you're applying for 2 master's courses, a curriculum vitae, copies of your higher education degree certificate, a copy of full set of transcripts of record, confirmation of relevant professional experience or internships or political activities or services, proof of English language skill. But if you have obtained your degree and the medium of instruction was in English, you are exempted. You only need to get a letter from your university. Also, you need a current written reference from your current employer or from a university lecturer. And this application is open from the 1st of June until the 31st of July 2023. Only applications including all required documents will be considered. Please be aware. These are the following master courses that are part of this Helmut-Schmidt program. So you must be applying to either of these courses and university. So the first one is social protection in the Hochschule Bonn. So this is the overview of the course. This is the email address in case you have to contact them. The second is development and governance in the University of Duisburg-Essen. This is the email address. And the third program is public policy in Willy Brandt School of Public Policy at the University of Erfurt. This is also their contact details. The fourth program is Peace and Conflict Studies at the University of Magdeburg. This is also the email address. Fifth program is Management in Non-Profit Organizations in the Hochschule Osnabrück. This is also their contacts. The sixth program is Development Studies in the University of Passau. This is also their contacts. And the seventh program is Governance and Public Policy in also University of Passau. This is also the contact. Basically, there are 7 courses here that you could apply to that is eligible for this particular scholarship. You could also click on these links to direct you to the university portal to learn more about these programs and also their requirements. This is the checklist that you must fill when you are submitting the scholarship form. So here you're going to go through this checklist. Everything that is mandatory, you must put them as one of your documents. So once you put in any of them, you check it, you tick the check sign so that they would know that this is included. And once you are done checking it out, all you have to do is to come below, put in the date and the location, and also put your name and sign it. You must include this original in your form and not a scanned copy. And this is the main application form for this particular scholarship. It's called the Application for Research Grant and Study Scholarship. So you must fill this form properly when you're applying for this scholarship. Take your time and read it through and fill out every necessary columns and attach a professional photo. Fill everything as honest as possible. And also please do not forget to put the date and the place and also your signature. So these are the list of eligible countries that can apply to this scholarship 2023-2024. Take your time and look through this to see if your country is here. That means you are eligible. So we have Nigeria, Pakistan, Indonesia, India, Ghana. There are a lot of countries listed here, so I'm sure that your country must be on this list. So the next one I would like to share with us is the frequently asked questions. This is very important that you go through these questions because there are very important things that were answered regarding this scholarship so that you are aware of what you're applying to. Importantly, I would like to point out regarding language skills. So here you can see it says I have completed my undergraduate in English. Do I still have to submit TOEFL IELTS certificate? So it says if English was the language of instruction at a university, please check the website of the master course you're applying to and see if TOEFL or IELTS certificate is needed. So this is dependent on the course you're going to be applying to and the university. The next important question I'd like to point out is I would like to bring my wife, husband, and children to Germany. Can they join me? It says it is possible for the duration of your master course. After your language course, you can apply for a family or child subsidy with the beginning of your studies at your host university, which is around September, October. Please take your time and go through these frequently asked questions. I believe it has a whole lot of questions that would help you in this application. This is an important PDF that you need to go through. It has the list of all the universities that are eligible for this scholarship and the courses that they offer. All the important things that you need to know regarding this university. You can as well click on the website to direct you to the university's portal where you will obviously make the application for this course. So for the purpose of demonstration, to show us how it's going to be on the university website, I'm going to click on this link so that we can see what it entails to apply to public policy in Willy Brandt School of Public Policy at the University of Erfurt. It loads me to the University of Erfurt webpage, and here I can see the scholarship, and it says you can submit your application using their online application platform. Only completed applications are accepted. And here you can scroll down on application requirements and see what is required of you to send your application to University of Erfurt. And once you are ready to make the application, you click on online application platform. Basically, it brings you to this application portal where you're going to be making your application, and here you would create your account and send in your application. This is of course the Dear Edu website where this publication was made. So this is the Helmut-Schmidt-Programme Master Scholarship for Public Policy and Good Governance, PPGG. So here you can also come here to read the overview yourself. These are the links to all the PDFs that I've opened for you. I would also be leaving these links in the description box so that you can also access these links. And for you to be successful in this particular application, do not forget to dot all your I's and cross all your T's. I wish you good luck. Please let me know in the comment section below if you'll be applying to this scholarship. I'll be glad to read your comments. This is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.